Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to install FydeOS on your PC, whether you want to dual boot it with Windows 10 or 11 or just try it from a USB drive. FydeOS is an awesome Chromium-based operating system that's fast, clean, and great for reviving older computers. Let's get started. First, download FydeOS for PC. Open your browser and go to FydeOS.io/download. Scroll down and pick the version that matches your hardware. Once you've chosen, click Official Download to start getting the image file. When the download's done, extract the contents of the .exe file using a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. You'll get an ISO image. That's what we'll use next. Now, let's create a bootable USB drive. Download and open Rufus, then plug in a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space. In Rufus, choose your FydeOS ISO file, select your USB drive, and click Start. Confirm when it asks, and it'll write FydeOS to the drive. This usually takes a few minutes. Once that's ready, restart your computer. While it's booting, press Del, F2, or F10 to enter your BIOS. Change the boot order so that your PC starts from the USB drive. Save and exit, and FydeOS will boot up. Choose your language and keyboard layout. Then you'll see two main options: install FydeOS to replace your OS completely, or try it first, which lets you run FydeOS from USB. To dual boot with Windows, choose try it first. After accepting the terms, sign in with the FydeOS account or continue as a guest. Once the desktop loads, open the FydeOS App Store, click Installer, then Add App to launch the installation tool. Select Multi-Boot Installation if you want to dual boot. Choose the partition you've already created for FydeOS, then pick your EFI partition so the system knows where to boot from. Next, confirm and hit Install. The installation takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, reboot your PC. You'll see both FydeOS and Windows icons. Use the arrow keys to pick one and press Enter. FydeOS will launch, and you can set it up like a Chromebook. It's lightweight, runs Android apps, and syncs with your Google account, making it perfect for productivity or web browsing. And that's it. FydeOS is now running on your PC alongside Windows. You can switch between systems anytime at startup. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you install FydeOS smoothly, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and setup guides. See you in the next one.